Are you always on the go and struggle to find time for fitness? You're not alone. Finding time to work out can be tough, especially with a busy schedule. But don't worry, today we'll show you the top 5 exercises that can keep you fit even if you're constantly on the move. 1. Jump rope. Jump rope is an amazing full body workout that you can do almost anywhere. Just a few minutes of jumping can improve your cardiovascular health, burn calories, and tone your legs, arms, and core. It's time efficient. You can easily fit in a quick session during a break, and it requires very little space. 2. Bodyweight squats. Bodyweight squats are one of the best exercises for building lower body strength. They target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. No equipment is needed, and you can do them anywhere, whether at home, in the office, or even at the park. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps for a quick and effective workout. 3rd, planks. If you're short on time but want to strengthen your core, planks are perfect. They engage multiple muscle groups, including your abs, back, shoulders, and glutes. You can hold a plank for 30 to 60 seconds, and you're done. It's a highly effective exercise that doesn't take much time. 4. Push-ups. Push-ups are another fantastic bodyweight exercise. They help build strength in your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. You can modify them based on your fitness level. Try knee push-ups if you're a beginner, or decline push-ups for more intensity. A set of 10 to 15 push-ups can be done quickly, anywhere, anytime. 5. High-intensity interval training. For those who really want to maximize their workout in a short time, HIIT is unbeatable. This involves alternating between short bursts of intense exercise, like jumping jacks, burpees, or mountain climbers, and quick rest periods. You can do a full body HIIT workout in as little as 10 to 20 minutes, making it ideal for busy people. You don't need hours at the gym to stay fit. These 5 simple exercises can be done at home, in the office, or on the go, helping you stay in shape no matter how busy life gets. Try incorporating these into your routine and see the difference. What's your go-to workout when you're short on time? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fitness tips.